Hi beautiful family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glory. If you are struggling with thinning hair, bad hair fall, chemical damage hair, your hair is slow in growing, you are lost your edges and you want to regrow back your edges, you want to thicken up your hair, you want to control your itchiness, you want to repair your damaged hair, you want to control your hair breakage, you want to control your hair fall and dandruff, and also if you want to speed up your hair growth. This tea spray I'm about to share with you is what will help you to solve those problems. And also I will take you step by step on how I prepare this tea spray and also how to use it for best results. If this video sound like what interesting, please keep on watching and watch the video to the end. Without further ado, let's dive into today's video. The first thing is to grab my jar, and my jar is clean. My first ingredient is chebe powder. There's a lot of benefit of chebe powder you'll be gotten on using it on your hair. So I'm going to list few of the benefits to be gotten on using this product on your hair. Chebe powder promotes hair growth. It's believed to stimulate the hair follicles and promoting faster healthy hair growth. Chebe powder strengthens hair. The powder is rich in protein, fiber and minerals which can strengthen hair strands, make them lesser potent to breakage. It also helps for thinning hair. There is a lot of benefit to be gotten on using this product, like as I said earlier. So I scoop out 1 tablespoon of it. My second ingredient is black tea. This type of black tea I have, so use any black tea you have, okay? In Nigeria here we call it lifting. So suppose that is black tea. Black tea is black tea, okay? Black tea is help to stimulate hair growth, reduce hair loss, remove oiliness from scalp and treat dandruff. It also high antioxidant and the caffeine promotes healthy hair, healthy scalp and the hair. So I also be making use of 2 bags of my black tea, and I'll open it up and pour it inside my jar containing my chebe powder. My third ingredient is hibiscus flower. So I'm making few of hibiscus flower. While adding hibiscus flower on your tea, do not add too much so that it will not stain your cloth, okay? Hibiscus flower stimulates hair growth, prevent premature graying, condition hair, and also prevent dandruff and smooth hair and darken your hair in no time. So I just transfer my hibiscus flower into my container containing my other 2 ingredients. So next thing I pour in my hot water. Just put a little water, okay? Don't pour too much water on it. Depend on the quantity of the ingredients you are using. Learn how to use less water. If you want your herbal tea to be more potent, learn how to use less water on it, because when you use less water on your herbal teas, then it will make the herbal tea to be more potent. But if you don't want your herbal tea if you don't want it to be potent, you can use more larger quantity of water, okay? So after then I'm going to cover it up and I would like this to breathe for only about 3 hours, okay? Once it's 3 hours, this tea spray is ready, okay? So after 3 hours, this is what I got so far. Do you see how this tea spray is? Everything have infused very well. The hibiscus flower, the black tea and the chebe powder have infused. So I bring my container and my shifter to collect my herbal tea. Guys, this herbal tea will grow your hair and thicken up your hair. Consistency of using this herbal tea, in 1 week time you will see a great change on your hair. One application on this herbal tea, you will see a graphical change on your hair. This herbal tea, there's no joke on it. Okay, so I'm going to transfer it to my spray bottle, but I'm so sorry, I will not be showing you guys how to apply this. I have a lot of video on this channel on how I demonstrate how to apply tea spray on your hair. Just apply the tea spray on your hair, use it as your leave-in treatment for you to see best results. Okay, apply it on your hair, massage your scalp very well. If your hair is low porosity, allow it to warm up a little bit before you can use it on your hair for best results. Okay, use this tea spray 2 times in a week for best results. And also, if you cannot apply it for leave-in treatment, use it as a final thing rinse. But if you want best results on this tea spray, if you want faster results on this tea spray, use it as a leave-in treatment. That's where you're going to see the best result, because when the tea spray sits on your hair, it's going to do what it's supposed to do on your hair without you washing it out. So if you normally wash your hair every week, apply this thing on your hair before your wash down. After your wash, they continue with your routine. In 2 weeks time, you're going to see a great shock, a great result on your hair. I'm not joking, guys. Just try the tea spray and say bye bye to that thinning hair, to that hair fall, to that chemical damage hair, and to that hair breakage and itching scalp. This tea spray is going to solve those problems for you. So I hope that you find this video helpful. If today is your first time stopping by in the channel, welcome to my channel. I really appreciate your presence. Please do not make it your last. Join this beautiful family by subscribing. In this channel, I teach how to grow your hair with home remedies without to break it the bank. Okay, my returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for always come back to watch my videos. Thank you all. I love you so much. Okay, so please, if you have not liked this video, help me to click on that like button. It really helps the growth of the channel, and also it helps you to put the video to more audience. And also help me share this video to your family and friends. You may be helping 1 or 2 persons out there. And also leave a comment in comment section below. If there's anything I did not cover up on this video, please feel free to let me know. Okay, I'm going to cover it up. We have come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.